Hey everyone, so here's Rakuten app. So let's just open it up and try to create an account together. So this app offers a lot of deals for the Cyber Week, and you can get cashback at our 3,500 stores. So let's just join for free. I usually just continue with Apple because it's like super fast. So I can just do that. Interesting. And then I just want to enter this password. So Apple ID sign up didn't really work here. But anyways, here's just the overview. Then I can search over the stores. Like if I want to buy something at Macy's, I can get like 6% cashback. And then Rakuten app is basically like a browser where I can just search for different websites. And then just for example, I like this dress shirt and I can just go there. Go to this page, and then I just want to purchase it. I can select size, then just add to bag. And there you have it. Then when I check out, cashback will be. So what it means, cashback is not available on the purchase if certificates, boots, so products, and all of that. And then when I did this purchase, it will appear in my account. So I can also refer people. So if you want to use Rakuten, just use this link here. So rakuten.com/r/agorg4. So that's a link. You can share it. So that's my link here. Feel free to use it. Then there is the account. There are a lot of really useful features here. So I don't know, like you need to, if you spend $25 at any source Rakuten, you can earn $10 welcome bonus. You can you can choose how to get paid. You can transfer money to a PayPal or your cashback. You can see always your cashback balance. So then there is Rakuten Autofill, so you can select all these details when you're shopping on different stores, so they are just autofilled by you and you don't spend time after filling them. And then yeah, so that's about it. And then yeah, all the other app is just you can browse through categories like to toys and games, health and beauty, clothing, pet supplies, food and restaurants, or just through home. And just goes through all these collections and categories. So that's basically the idea. So that's that. So that's basically that. This app really skyrocketed during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Recently, a lot of people just discovered it, and it was in the top charts in the US App Store because I think it's one of the top cashback apps. Actually, there are a bunch of apps like this, but with this app, you can really dive into all these products. So just click on the store to go shopping, shop as usual via Rakuten, and get paid. And then you can just check your cashback balance. So super cool. Up to like 10% cashback. It's pretty nice. So why would you buy like someone on Adidas or Nike if you just can use Rakuten and also earn this cashback? So there you have it. Hope it was helpful.